And the president earlier lauded the ASEAN leaders for agreeing to discuss the issue of the West Philippine Sea during their 22nd summit. He stressed that this clearly shows ASEAN is moving in the right direction. More from Roque Ignacio.
President Aquino is confident that the country's initiatives on the West Philippine Sea was in the right direction. The president is grateful for the ASEAN leaders in considering the issue of regional security in the disputed area to be part of the agenda in the 22nd ASEAN Summit held in Brunei. That the leaders have agreed to include the issue was something to be thankful for. In his interview with the Philippine media, the president said this was the first time in the summit that the issue became a priority area for discussion. 11 years since the ASEAN and China have agreed in 2002 on the Declaration on the Code of Conduct of Parties in the South China Sea to ensure peace and stability in the contested area. The president narrated that during the session, nobody has objected and everybody was listening in the discussion. The president earlier said that during the summit, the Philippines will push for an early conclusion of a legally binding Code of Conduct of Parties in the disputed area. Meanwhile, Vietnam recognized the Philippines' international initiatives on maritime security to resolve the issue peacefully. President Aquino and Vietnam Prime Minister Nguyen Thanh Dung held a bilateral talks at the sidelights of this year's ASEAN leaders meeting. Like the Philippines, Brunei, and China, Vietnam has its claim in the West Philippine Sea. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Laceda said both also agreed to further enhance the economic cooperation between the Philippines and Vietnam. For the People's Television, Roque Ignacio.